guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Abby and this is my E92 335i. So I just finished doing the M4 bumper conversion from my front bumper, and I'm going to be changing my old bumper. So I got the MSPORT bumper for this, and I'm just going to get right into it. I'll show you what it looks like, and then let's get it. This is what the new bumper looks like. As you can see, I don't have a diffuser, and just like my front bumper, this is also primed. It's not painted yet because I'm wrapping the car. But yeah, this is what it's gonna look like before and after. Yeah. It comes with sensor holes too for your parking sensor. Well, for my parking sensor. But yeah, hopefully it's an easy, straightforward install. So to remove the tail lights, it's pretty simple. You basically, there's three 8mm nuts here, 1, 2, and 3. You basically take those off, sorry, and the tail lights will come out fairly easily. Yeah, I love these tail lights. Cheers. Okay guys, so I basically just want to show you what I'm doing. There's three 8mm nuts back here that holds this wheel wall. What is this called? Mud guard? Wheel wall? Whatever this is, in place. And behind the wheel wall, or this mud guard, there's one more 8mm nut that's holding this rear bumper in place. Okay, so that's the first. You gotta take the same off on both sides. I removed the tail lights here so I can get access to this here and this here. This was a Torx T25. So once you remove those two, do the same thing on the other side here, and 8mm nuts at the bottom, whatever is attached, whatever is basically holding the bumper in place. So I'm gonna get that going and show you guys how it works. So once you remove the three 8mm nuts here, you're gonna get access to the nut back here. Can you zoom in there? If you can see where my finger is, no, straight this way. If you can see where my finger is, that's the one holding the bumper in place. Yeah, it's right there. It's hard to miss. So after I was done removing the 8mm nuts holding the bumper in place, holding the rear bumper in place, there's 4 to 5 tabs on each side, basically holding the bumper where it's sitting. And it was really hard to remove the bumper and keeping those tabs intact. So basically what I ended up doing was just saving the first tab and like breaking off the rest, because I didn't see any other way of removing the bumper and still keeping the tabs intact. So as you can see me in the video struggling to remove the bumper, just trying to save the tabs. I just couldn't find an easy way of doing it. So if you guys have a better way, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, just look at me breaking the tabs and removing the bumper. Take out the sensor. I don't think I'll post this video. Here, let me put that clip back here. That looks crazy, right? How are we driving like this?
That looks naked.
This looks sexy.
Put this in.
What?
Put Put this in, no.
Alright, so what you see me and my boy doing here is basically removing the old parking sensors on my old bumper so I can fit them on the new one. So they were basically just stuck on with glue. I basically used a pry tool or a really small screwdriver just to like break the glue and take the sensors out from the casing that it was sitting in. So I probably could have done a better job at removing the glue before I placed them in the new bumper, but I was just really tired and I basically just wanted to get it over with because I had been working on the car since morning time and I did the front bumper. So if you guys want to watch that video, now would be a good time. But basically, yeah, I just wanted to get it over with, just get it done. So I bought this Gorilla Glue with the precise tip, and I put a little bit of glue on the old parking sensors and just placed them on the new ones. And in 10-15 seconds, I think, it was good to go. And it's basically stuck on there for good. So yeah.